Hello, Collision family. I'm Jose Vargas. I'm a Venezuelan drummer living in the USA, in Richmond, Virginia. I've been playing drums since I have like 14 years old, at least 17 years of experience. When I was in my country, I played into big bands. One, it was the Sundays. The other one, it was Good Sailors. Right now, making one project. The name is Chasing the Fireflies. It's a band. We have some influence from Architects, Bring Me the Horizon, Bad Omens. So I hope that you can find we have already 2 singles in all platforms like Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music. So far, I've been trying these little dudes, the Collision's 5/8 reach. I love it because they have a beautiful range. They keep the power every time that I make one stroke with the length, and they are beautiful. I just love the quality. So I'm so happy to be part of this project. So I'm gonna play right now one song from the band Architects. It's gonna be Animals, so I hope you enjoy it.
Everything seems ominous. Not feeling blessed.